an interesting observation in that there's these signs on the side of the road subject to flooding, and then they've got the measurement board. Generally, floodwaters by their very nature they're not clean, and they leave some sort of residue. But very rarely, if ever, do you see one of these boards that's got any markings on as to how high the water level might have been when the last flood came through, or when the last time the level was high enough. Let's have a look and see what happens in this one coming up on us. As sure as eggs, there will be a marker in the middle of it. Yep, there is. Let's have a look and see. It's all clean. There's other white posts on the side of the road. Interesting.